Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different. We're going to be doing a kind of like a slow Sunday vlog, showing you what our Sundays normally look like, some cooking, some baking, some self-care. We're also doing Evie's 6-month photos today, so I'll be sharing that with you. I can't believe that she's 6 months old, but I am also going to be sharing with you how we store all of our photos in the family album app. Let me know what you think about this style vlog, because I had a lot of fun making it and it was just easy to kind of film our day this way. So of course we're starting our morning off with some coffee. I came downstairs for coffee today and just spending time with the kids in the morning. Evie is starting to do like a little bit of a dance, so that was what I was trying to do, is get her to dance. You can see right here she's kind of starting to dance a little bit. It's the cutest thing ever. We like to try to have a big breakfast on Sunday mornings. Chris is making egg in a hole, and then we're making Ella this plant-based egg since she can't have egg this way. She can have it baked into items, but she can't eat it like this. But yes, I love egg in a hole. That was one of the first things that Chris ever cooked for me when we started dating. Also, as you know, on Sundays I upload, so I'm kind of just getting my video together to go live by 10 a.m. And we also like to do a smoothie. We do smoothies, you know, when we have time to do them. On school mornings it's a little bit harder, but it does happen once in a while. Every morning the kids like to water our plants outside, and they just really enjoy this. This particular Sunday was a beautiful day. It was very hot. And after that we decided to do a little family workout. I'm using the Sweat app on my phone. It's just, you know, it's what has always worked for me, working out from home. I like that they're short workouts and they definitely get the job done, and I love that the whole family got involved. The kids were also playing with, you know, this like little icing that we like to do. We put some of their favorite toys into a container and fill it with water and make it into ice, and they find different ways to try to get them out. I'm having a little after workout snack. I'm the only one in this house who likes hummus, so I am actually allowed to double dip. But now we are in the office and I am just making a onesie for Everly. I cannot believe that she is 6 months old. I feel like I just found out I was pregnant yesterday and now she's here. She's 6 months old. I made this on the Cricut and I'm just using my heat press to make this onesie. Next, I am taking Evie's 6-month picture, and I want to thank Family Album for sponsoring today's video. If you haven't heard of Family Album, it's a free family-focused photo sharing app. It has unlimited storage, so you never have to worry about losing those precious memories. We absolutely love it because I personally don't like to share every single photo that I take because, one, I take millions of them every single day of the kids. But I don't feel like all of them need to be on Instagram or any other social media. So, you know, this app is great because our whole family is on it. We can share photos back and forth. I have a lot of siblings, so it's just a really nice way for us to stay in touch and share pictures of my nieces and nephews, and also my grandparents who, they were sick even before COVID, so we haven't been able to see them for quite a long time now. So This is one way for us to stay in touch with tons of photos and videos. We just don't want to risk anything with their immune systems. And actually right now my grandfather is having surgery and he's in the hospital. So I don't know, this app just makes me feel like we all get to stay close from afar. Another great feature that I love on the app is that you can share, like I said, with your partner or your family. But if there's a picture that you just kind of want to share with your partner, not your whole family, there's an option to only share with partner versus only sharing with your family. Plus, it just automatically organizes everything and people can comment on your pictures that are in your family that you share the photos with. And nobody else can view it. So that is just like really special. You can see Chris here is commenting on it, and our family will be able to comment as well. It automatically organizes pictures by the month and the date taken, the age of your children, which is displayed in the years and months as you can see there. And the app remembers photos you added so you won't upload the same photos, which is something I would totally do. And I don't know about you guys, but these photos mean so much to me. I have so many photos on my phone, but the really special ones I like to upload to this app because if I ever lose my phone, I'll be able to recover all of my photos on this app. Plus, like I said, they're stored so nice and organized, and it even keeps track of your kids' ages. They even have 1-second movie highlights where you can enjoy short video collages that show 1-second clips highlighting photos and videos, and these movies are created automatically every 3 months, which is really nice and something to look forward to in the app. But I'll be sharing some more of the app throughout this video because we do upload to it quite often. It's just made our entire family so much closer. I feel like the most active are my brothers and sister-in-laws, and we love just exchanging photos of our kids, and of course the grandparents comment on them all the time, but we definitely do the main amount of sharing of all of the kids, and I don't know, it just brought us closer. It's just a different side of the family that I've been missing. Now it's time for some lunch. We're just having some chicken sausage, quinoa, and spinach. It's easy lunch, and of course more coffee. I've been loving this new coconut flavor, and Chris likes to have the mocha flavor. So these are going to be iced coffee, so I'm just making them now so that they could cool off in time for us to have them as iced coffee. It wouldn't be Sunday without some sort of grocery delivery. I just got an order from BJ's. It's not like a super big order, but we got quinoa and rice, oat milk creamer, the French vanilla one, and some produce here. We got kiwi, blueberries, ginger, strawberries, and then some yogurt for both the baby and the little yogurt pouches for the kids, as well as some oranges. And it wouldn't be a complete wholesale trip without some pull-ups and garbage bags and those random household products. Now that the groceries are put away, I'm just giving Evie some vanilla yogurt for the first time. You can see her faces are hilarious. And we love also documenting this on the app, all of her first foods. And, it's just a really cute time, and we love seeing her reaction to new items. And I can't even say it's snack time. It's pretty much always snack time in our house. The coffee is finally cooled off enough to make some iced coffee, and this was so necessary. Okay, everyone knows whipped cream on coffee is the best thing, right? So now I'm just gonna get some dinner started. This is something that cooks over a period of time, so I'm just doing 3 different types of beans, rinsing them off, and I'm also gonna be using some green pepper as well as a yellow onion and some garlic. So once my olive oil is nice and heated up, I'm just adding in the onion. Gonna let that get nice and caramelized first before I add the garlic and the peppers. So along with my beans, I've added some green chilies, some roasted red tomatoes, as well as some vegetable broth and quinoa and some butternut squash. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chili powder and then 1 tablespoon of cumin, some salt and some pepper. Gonna stir that all up and just let it get nice and hot, and then I'm gonna turn it off because we are headed to the car wash. Growing up, I have always loved the car wash. It was like one of my favorite things was when my parents went to the car wash. I also love the movie Karina Karina, and every time we go to the car wash, I think of that movie. It's just a favorite movie of mine ever since I was a little girl. So as you can see, it's all chaos, but everybody likes to help us vacuum. So that is what we are doing. We are letting the kids help vacuum. Evie needed to nurse. Yeah, it's always a good time. We are back home now, and Evie was just so tired. I'm just giving her some easy oatmeal. I just used my breast milk, as you can see on my shirt. I needed to pump, so I pumped a little bit and then put it into her oatmeal, and that's how she likes to eat it. I was trying to show you the consistency, how she likes her oatmeal. She's very particular about it, and all of the kids always were. But like I said, we've been kind of photographing her while she eats new things and sharing it on Family Album. I love coming on here and seeing what my siblings have uploaded too, because like I said, they don't live close at all, and I just feel like I still know what's going on in their day-to-day life, and I love that. Just doesn't feel like a Sunday to me if I'm not baking something, even if it is just some oat brownies. This is just like a oat brownie box mix that I found by Betty Crocker. It doesn't have any gluten containing products, but it doesn't say gluten free, so it might not be safe for celiac disease. I would look into it, but they were very delicious. So while they bake, dinner is finally nice and ready. The longer you cook it, the better. It's so delicious. We absolutely loved it. We actually wound up having leftovers today, but we added some chicken sausage to it. It's very good. It's kind of like a chili, I guess you can call it. And if you thought my kids were eating that, you were wrong. They're eating hot dogs. I do buy organic hot dogs, and they are having some strawberries with it, so I'll call that a win. Now it is brownie time. My kids are big fans of dessert, just like their mama.
Aw, I love this day too, baby.
I love taking pictures of them when they're all together and just being silly and goofy. It's like one of my favorite things ever. So I'm uploading this to Family Album as well. Especially they love to take pictures when they have chocolate in their teeth, which is something that I like to do as a kid too. So I think that's really cute. Now that dinner and dessert is over, I'm just putting away the leftovers, and then we're headed upstairs to do our nighttime routine. I do cut the kids' nails usually every Sunday and sometimes in the middle of the week too, but that is just something that we like to do after bath because their nails grow like incredibly fast.
Thank you guys for making this whole entire family, for making this the best family. Thank you, Mommy. Naughty, but good. Way good, good. I love you.
What did you say?
And
A little bit naughty.
Now that the kids are asleep, I am getting my bath ready for Self-Care Sunday. I look forward to this every week. You don't have to wait until Sunday to, do self-care, but I feel like I just have the time to do it on Sunday most of the time because it's my upload day, and yeah. So I just have some lavender in my diffuser. I'm going to whiten my teeth and do some skincare and some sunless tanning. Also, how cute was Tanner's prayer? He's so sweet, even though he's a little naughty, he said. Finally, I like to just look at my week ahead. I look at the month in my planner and then I write it on a weekly little tear out sheet. What I have going on for the week ahead, it helps so much. I also just want to say that if I write things down before bed, I, one, not only sleep better, but I just feel better altogether because I do wake up in a panic most nights because I go to bed with like so much on my mind that my brain doesn't like have a minute to turn off. So yeah, I really love doing a little bit of planning before bed. Now that I'm finally going to bed, I just like to look at my family album app and see if anybody else has uploaded throughout the day. I could see that my sister-in-law uploaded some new videos of my niece, and I'm also just like checking the comments from everybody in my family and going to bed with a full heart. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Family Album. I'll have everything linked in the description box below.